One great way to create plugins that everybody needs is to look for the work that others have done and done it brilliantly, and then to create the wrapper for it. And let me show you what I mean. Here is a little function that I have already created, so I'm just going to paste it in here, and it's going to display the exchange rate when you specify two different currencies. WordPress has that wonderful function called WP Remote Get that gets the content of a page that you are looking for, and all you need to do is to format the output then so that it does what you need it to do. Now in this case I'm going to copy this so that I can just register that as another shortcode. So let's do it. Add shortcode, and I'm going to call it, for example, CX rate. Okay, I have just turned this function into a shortcode, and let's copy it so that we can then use it. And just get rid of everything that we have here up until this point. And let's use, for example, Australian dollars converting to US dollars. Update and reload. Well, there you go. As of today, for $1 Australian you can get 0.7785 US cents, which actually is rather terrible. Not so long ago the Australian dollar was stronger than the US dollar, but well, there you go, things change. Well, let me show you one more example that is going to be more exciting than this one. Google, Yahoo, social media sites, and many other sites have the software development kits that you can easily tap into to create your WordPress plugins. And in this example, I'm just going to use a very simple Google pie chart. So let's go back to our JavaScript editor and let's create a new function. In fact, I already have it, so I'm just going to copy and paste. What does it do? It displays the chart from Google. It's a pie chart, and it accepts several attributes such as the title, the data that is going to go into the chart, colors, labels, the background color, and finally the size. As you can see, we are just creating the image, and that image is created by a call to a Google API. API, by the way, stands for the Application Programming Interface. Okay, well, all we need to do is to register this function as well, so that we can use it as a shortcode. I like doing copy and paste, that way it's harder to make a mistake. So how about we call it pie chart? Okay. Save the changes to my page, and instead of this currency exchange rate, I have a piece of code that I'm going to copy and paste that is going to display the chart for us. So it's going to be a pie chart. The title is going to be the annual revenue. Here is the size. I'm specifying 4 different values, one for each quarter. Here are the labels for each of the quarters. So we have first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. The background is white. And finally, these are the colors that I want to use for each piece of the pie. Let's do the update. And let's reload our test page. And the web page is displaying the chart from Google.